Hello everyone, my name is Aksh Guzar and I am pursuing MSc in Mathematics from IIT Patna. So today I talk about the classification of function. So classification of function is tells about the nature of the function. It means the function changes signs or function is increasing or function is decreasing, etc. So first classification known as one-one function or is also known as injective mapping. So one-one function says that every element of set A is mapped with different element of set B. Let this set is set A and this set is set B. So every element of set A is mapped with different element of set B. Okay. Next classification name as many-one function or known as non-injective mapping. Many-one function says that if two or more element of set A have same image in set B, which means we take set A, set B, the first element of set A is mapped with first element of set B. The second element of set A is mapped with first element of set B, which means two element of set A mapped with same element in set B, means it has same image. Okay, so this kind of mapping is said to be a many-one function. Third classification name as onto function, which is also called as surjective mapping. So onto function says that if each element in set B, which is codomain, is the image of at least one element in set A, then we say that f is onto function. Then we define f, which is defined in domain A, which goes in codomain B. Then each element of set B is mapped with at least one element of set A. Okay. Fourth classification named as into function, which is also called as non-surjective mapping. So into function says that if there exists at least one element in codomain which is not the image of any element in domain A, then this function is known as into function, which means at least one element remain unmapped with any of the element in set A. Okay, this kind of mapping is known as into function. Okay, so next we talk about the methods for checking the function is one-one or many-one. So first method will be graphical method. If any line parallel to the x-axis cut the graph at two or more than 2 points, then the function is many-one, otherwise the function is one-one. So if the graph of the function is this, okay, we draw the line parallel to the x-axis. If he cuts at 1 point only, then the function is one-one. Then we take another function which is looks like this. If we draw line parallel to the x-axis, it cuts 2 points in the graph, means at the different value of x it takes same value of a function. Okay, so this kind of function is many-one function. Okay, so this method is known as graphical method. Second method will be derivative method. So if sign of the derivative does not change, then f is one-one. Okay, if sign of the derivative change, then f is many-one. Okay, next we take some questions which come in JEE Mains. So we talk about the question is the function f which define real number to real number. The function is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15 upon x square minus 4x plus 9, where x belongs to real number. Then the question says we talk about the function of 1 1 and on 2. Okay, so we observe the function. What the function is fx equal to x square plus 2x minus 15 by x square minus 4x plus 9. Okay, we observe the numerator part. The numerator part will be factorized. Okay, then we factorize this. So x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Okay, upon the denominator part as it is, we write x square minus 4x plus 9, okay, which is fx. Okay, then separate x, we take common x here, x plus 5. Okay, and in this portion we take minus 3 common as a common. So what the remaining part? X plus 5. Okay, and denominator as it is, we write x square minus 4x plus 9. Okay, then we write in factor way x plus 5 and x minus 3. Okay, and the denominator will be x square minus 4x plus 9. Here, this function. Okay, then we observe add the value of x equal to minus 5 and 3. Add the value of x equal to minus 5 or 3, this function goes to 0. Okay, so this will look like this is real number, this side is real number. At the domain part, the element x belongs in domain, so there is 3 or minus 5 which maps to 0 in codomain 0. So this which is look like a many one, not 1 1. 1 1 says different value of domain is mapped in different value of codomain, but here the different value of domain which maps in same value in codomain. So this function is many-one or not 1 1, not 1. Okay, and we know the important fact that if function is the type of quadratic polynomial upon quadratic polynomial, if the function is the type of quadratic polynomial upon quadratic polynomial, then the range of function is not equal to the codomain, which is real. So this fact says the function is not onto. Okay. So which method, which option? Neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay. So C option is correct. Okay. So this question, which is not 1 1 and not onto, so third option is correct. So thank you for watching.